Let's get on the router, into the CLI, into enable mode, to show running config again. Okay, so now what we'll do is go into conft, then we'll do interface gigabit ethernet 00. We'll do IP address 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0. Then we'll then do a no shut. So as soon as we do a no shut there, you can see that it's changed the state of the interface from down to up. Then we do an exit, and then we do interface gigabit ethernet 01, IP address 192.168.2.1, 255.255.255.0, no shut, spelled correctly, exit, exit, and let's come off this. So from here, now we might be able to ping our gateway. Yes, we can ping our gateway, fantastic. So that is going from here through the switch to the interface on this side of the router. Now here, can we ping our gateway yet? Can't ping the gateway just yet? Yes, we can. So it just took a minute for the interface to come up there. Excellent. So now the moment of truth. Can I ping down to the interface on the other side? I'm not expecting to. Yes, I can. Great. So that is pinging this side of the router. This is pinging from here through the switch via gigabit ethernet 01 through to gigabit ethernet 00 on this side. So now can I ping down to the PC? Yes, I can. So this is going from here to the router, to the switch, to the PC, and back again. Yes, I can. Excellent. So that's without any routing protocol. That's a really basic configuration on a router. You can see the only thing that we actually have on here is interfaces for the gig 0 and the gig 01. There's nothing else on there at all. So it gets a bit more complicated when we start and introduce DTP servers and DNS servers and things like that. So right now we'll look to see how we can set up a DNS server and look at some routing protocols as well. So now when it comes to verifying the configuration, there's a number of things you can do to make sure things are routing the way they should be. You can do enable followed by show IP route. You can see that the 192.168.1.024 network is variably subnetted, 2 subnets, 2 masks. It's telling us that the C here, so what does C mean? C is connected, L is locally connected, 192.168.1.0/24 is directly connected on gigabit ethernet 00. Then locally we have 192.168.1.1/32 is directly connected on gigabit 00. And then we move on to the 192.168.2 network here. Exactly the same story, directly connected 01 and directly connected 01. So now let's do the show interface gigabit ethernet 00 just to verify we can see things going through it. This is telling us that this is the MAC address here. The encapsulation loopback is not set. The keep alive set is 10 seconds. Is running full duplex 100 megabits per second. And there is, where is the frame information? So here 12 packets input, which is the equivalent to 1536 bytes. And the 5-minute input rate is 0. 5-minute output rate is also 0. Which is exactly what we want to see. So now when we do a show ARP, you can see the ARP table that's been maintained by the router. So you have the protocol column, the address column, the age in minutes, the hardware address, the type, and the interface it's connected on. So here you can see that the 192.168.1.1, which is the interface on the router, is shown. This is the hardware address here of the router's interface. Next one down is the hardware address of our PC. 2.1 is the interface address for our gigabit 01 network, and 2.2 is the interface for our gigabit Ethernet 01 network. So again, this is the op table that I was trying to show you before when we looked at the switches, but as you can see, it's working a lot better on routers since it actually works in the actual IP level. And also, just to verify the configuration again, we just do a show running and that's pretty much everything we have there. So you can also do a short CDP, which is Cisco Discovery Protocol, to see what's around you. It probably won't show anything here though. It'll tell you that the global lines that have been set are there. It's sending Cisco Discovery Protocol packets every 60 seconds, and it's sending hold time of a value of 180 seconds, and it's sending CDP v2 advertisements as well.